3 Telegram bots that you should start using today. Bot number 1. AirTrack. This bot will help you track cheap flights and tracking the ticket price. For example, ticket from New Delhi to Pune. Bot number 2. Dropmail.me. This bot will provide you temporary emails to sign up wherever you want, and also provide OTP for short period of time. Bot number 3. Amazon Price Tracker and Alert. This bot will help you track price of product which you want to buy and help purchase it in cheaper option. Go to Amazon and copy product link. Paste it. It will notify you with cheaper options.